Good afternoon, class. Today we will be continuing to learn about addition and subtraction. Does anyone remember what we had learned in the previous class? Well, we're about to test your knowledge using a number line. So we have our number line here and we have put here 10. So after that, let's add plus 3. Let's do skip counting. So what would be the next number if we were to add 3 to 10? 13, absolutely. So as we do for our number line, we add 13 here. Remember our arrow and plus 3 on top. See, so 10 plus 3 equals to 13. All right, so from 13, what about we add a bigger number? 9, very good. So what is 13 plus 9? If you can't add plus 9 immediately, you can use skip counting. So 9, you can do 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now class, did I do it correctly? No, you guys spotted an error. Good job. Where is the error? Can you please explain it to me? Very good. So as you can see, this part was correct. 13 plus 3 equals to 16. 16 plus 3 does equal to 19, but 19 plus 3, does it equal to 21? No. So how do we know? So if we use our counting, it would be 19, 20, 21, 22. So this should be 22. So how about subtraction? Which number should we start from? 20? All right. So for this one, subtraction, we have to go all the way to the end of the board and write 20. Okay, so how about this time we subtract by 4? So let's draw the number here. So 20 minus 4. Can someone please give me the answer? Yes, that's right, it's 16. Can anyone give another number? Minus 9. Okay, so let's see, minus 9. So what is 16 minus 9? Can anyone give me the answer? Ah, that's correct. It is indeed . Okay, and if you're not too sure, you can add it back and find out. So 7 plus 9 equals to 16. That's right. Good job, everyone. I'm glad to see that all of you have remembered what you've learned about addition and subtraction from the previous lesson. Now, we're moving on. In today's class, we will be continuing to learn about addition and subtraction. I will be testing your knowledge and also teaching you about adding and subtracting using 2-digit numbers. So, here we have a board game for you guys called Forwards and Backwards. So this is the board game, Forwards and Backwards. As you can see, this is the general flow. Go from here to here to here as the arrows indicate. So how this game works is that you have the blue spaces, which allow you to add a certain amount of spaces to your roll and red spaces, which minus how many spaces you go. Thus, the game backwards and forwards. So let me demonstrate to you how it works. So we'll roll the 2 dice here. See, that's a 6. So let's see, this is mine. So we start from 1 and then plus 6. So how much would that be? That's right, 7. Oh, but you see, I've landed on 7. So now on my roll, I have to minus 5 spaces. So from 7 minus 5, how much would that be? 2. So we'll move back here. And then this will go on until you have rolled the dice 3 times. So that is how the game works. Now let's all try it for ourselves. Now, a student has asked me, "Teacher, I have landed on space 19, but I have to plus 12 spaces, but I can't seem to mentally add it together." Well, there are a few ways to do this with writing it, or you can draw it using this frame diagram that I have offered, or we can use an online manipulative to figure it out. Here is an example, 15 plus 16. We have 15 represented by the circles and 16 represented by the stars. So as you can see, we have 1 there and 10 of those in ones. So we can combine that and turn it into 10. So this 10 will have to go into the tens area as 1 unit. So we will represent that by using a red star. So now you can ignore the 10 ones, cancel that out, and you have 1 remaining blue star left in the ones. So you would have a total of 31. Not to be mistaken, for the technical error there, you would have 31 in total. So class, I hope you've had fun today practicing your addition and subtraction using this board game. You know, it doesn't matter if you've finished the board game by exceeding the 36 spaces. It's about whether you moved to the correct spaces or not, and I am proud of all of you for being able to work out your additions and subtractions correctly, either using our written method, drawing method, or even using our online manipulatives available in class today. Thank you so much for paying attention, and see you next time.